This is Helpscreen, and this is how to install Easy Anti-Cheat EAC. So guys, first thing that you will need to do is open up your Steam, and then from here go to the library, and then once you are on the library guys, just choose the application that you are having a problem with. So for this video, I'm gonna choose War Thunder. So first thing that you will do is right click on it, and then from here go to the manage and click on browse local files. And then from here guys, as you can see, you will see here easy anti-cheat. So just tap on it, and from here you will see the setup easy anti-cheat. So guys, just double click on it and run the application. And then from there guys, you should be able to repair service and install the anti-easy cheat on your device. And as you can see, it is installed successfully. And there you go. If this video was helpful guys, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya!